Welcome to Extreme Visions Reviews. I'm Ryan Knights. So I'm gonna try to do some flying day. It wasn't no wind. It was a beautiful day out. And now that I'm out here, the wind has finally picked up. Nature's against me, I swear. But anyway, so I'm taking a little walk. I'm going out in the field some, away from the house, away from trees and everything else. That way I got a wide open area and really put these things to a test and see what we can do. I already come out here once and just got everything kind of set up, and I forgot a few things. So I had to go back. I need to grab an extra jacket just in case, because I'm out in the wide open, so it can get a little bit colder out. But anyways, this is what I'm working with. I mean, I got all that to play with, and it goes on further down. I mean, way down that way. so I got plenty of room. I ain't worried about it. It's wide open. I was hoping the wind wasn't going to be so bad, because I was actually going to try to get over some of the tree line and check out around the property lines, but there's no way with the wind I won't be able to do it, not with what I got. If I had a Mavic or a Phantom 4 or something that's got GPS that could handle the wind, that, you know, it's not a lot of wind, but it's enough to make it where you shouldn't be flying around trees, especially without GPS. If you had GPS, it wouldn't be a big deal. I do got one that's got GPS, but it's that Venom, but I don't have a lot of experience with it, so I'm not 100% sure how well it'll work. So we're gonna find out today. You know I tried it yesterday. We had some noises on the roof and couldn't, just make sure it wasn't an animal, and seeing if it was maybe just the trees. And of course, all I can see is we got a bunch of tree limbs that had come down off the tree behind the house. And I took the Venom Pro up so I didn't have to climb up on the roof, and that thing fought the wind good. I mean, it killed the battery quick, but it fought pretty, it put up a fight. I'm gonna tell you that right now, to hold this position. So I was pretty impressed with that, but I ended up hanging up on the roof anyways, and I broke a couple blade guards and ended up having to get up there. The whole point of taking the drone up, so I didn't have to climb up, and I ended up having to do it anyway. So it kind of sucked, but I didn't see nothing up there, no damage. So all I can think of is we got tree limbs hitting the roof and sliding off. We got a metal roof, so it's kind of, you hear it when it hits. But I'm gonna go ahead and jump off here and start getting some flying done and try to get some of these other reviews knocked out. I got the Blumikey done. I just don't have it uploaded yet. It's gonna be a couple of parts, because just the unboxing, the inventory, and the assembly was over an hour and a half. And I don't want, and to do a review, it shouldn't be that long, but so I'm doing it in probably about 2 or 3 different parts, so that way people don't have to sit there for a few hours trying to watch a video on that's supposed to be a review. So what I'll do is I'll upload what I got as far as the unboxing and inventory and the assembly, and then I'll do the flight and the review and stuff like that separately. Try to knock it down, make an actual review, knock down some. And then I got the SEMA 8. I got a couple of good videos on it already, but I figure now I'm out in this wide open field that I should be able to get pretty good video. I got a pretty nice little setup. I brought my armrest out here, so that way I can actually set my phone and my tablet and actually set everything up to where I can get good video. But we'll see how it turns out, and hopefully this wind calms down a little bit more so I can actually get some flying in. But anyways, I'm gonna jump off here, get everything going. I'll see y'all later. Y'all have a good day.